After years of anticipation, the Michelin Alpine 7 has arrived to challenge its predecessor, the Alpine 6 in the middle European winter tyre segment. But with the Alpine 6 having only 2 wins out of 30 independent press tests, can the new Alpine 7 finally deliver the winter performance Michelin has been striving for? Let's find out. The Michelin Alpine 6 has been a well-known choice for winter driving, but the Alpine 7 brings key upgrades, better snow performance, and lower rolling resistance. So how do they compare? Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Alpine 6 set as the reference point at 100%. In Michelin's internal tests, the Alpine 7 outperforms the Alpine 6 in key snow performance metrics. Snow braking is improved by 7%, resulting in shorter stopping distances in slippery conditions. Snow acceleration sees a 2% improvement, providing better grip when moving off in snow. But winter grip isn't the only upgrade. Michelin also improved in fuel efficiency. The Alpine 7 reduces rolling resistance by 11%, dropping from a coefficient value of 8.24 to 7.44. This means better fuel economy for combustion cars and longer range for EVs. However, there are some trade-offs. The EU label reveals no change in rolling resistance rating. Michelin sticks with a C rating despite achieving B-worthy results. And road noise? The Alpine 7 increased by 2 dB, moving from a 69 dB class to a 71 dB class. A small but noticeable change that raises questions. So, is the Alpine 7 a worthy upgrade? With better winter grip and lower rolling resistance, it's a clear improvement. But the increase in noise level and questionable rolling resistance rating decision leaves some room for doubt. What do you think?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.